Alright, so I'm just going to go over a couple examples in this video that were a little more difficult, so I wanted to give them their own video and not have them be tacked on at the end of a long video. So if you look at this now, we don't have y equals mx plus b. So that means our first goal has to be to get it to y equals mx plus b. Here, I gotta move the 2. So I'm going to change this line. Negative 5 plus 2. Remember, I'm adding a number, I can't add it to a variable, so I'm just going to keep it together with its like term. For this negative 5y1, well, I can't just add or subtract here. Here I gotta divide out. So I'm gonna divide by negative 5 to everything. And remember, what does that mean? I gotta flip this. So I'm gonna change the direction. Here, this is just 1x. I'm gonna just have 1 over 5x with a negative. 10 divided by negative 5, negative 2. Once you make those moves, everything else is the same. I'm still gonna start down 3 for my yellow line, and I'm still going to go up 3 over 1, and I'm still going to have a dashed line, and since it's greater than, I'm still going to shade above. And then for my blue line, everything still stays the same for graphing, still going to start down 2. I have a negative 1 over 5, so down 1 then over 5, and then I'm going to make a solid line. Oh, close enough. Solid line. And then is it above or below? Well, y is being pointed at, so y is less than, so I'm going to shade below. So where's my solution area? It is this blue and yellow area over here in the corner. So if I asked, like, is negative 5, 3 a solution? Well, if I went negative 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, up 3, 1, 2, 3, no, it's only in the yellow area. So what point is the solution? Maybe like negative 2, 1, 2, 3. Maybe like negative 2, negative 3. That is a solution, because it is in both. Alright, let's look at one more. So make sure that if you divide by a negative or a positive, if you multiply or divide by a negative, you gotta flip that sign. But if you look at this example now, I've got 4 times y, so if I divide out here to everything, I'm not dividing by a negative, so I'm gonna leave it positive. I'm not gonna flip anything. And you have to be aware that sometimes you flip and sometimes you don't. For this bottom one, I'm going to have to move 2 things. I'm going to have to add 2x to both sides. I can't combine it with a 6x. Then I've got negative 3y less than or equal to 2x plus 6, or 6 plus 2x. Divide out by negative 3 to everything. And now, since I'm dividing by that negative, I am going to flip it and make it greater than or equal to negative 2 over 3x minus 2. Since there is just one negative sign, you can put it where you want, top or bottom. So yellow line, I'm going to start at the y-intercept at positive 1, then up 3 over 4, dashed or solid, it is dashed, oops, it is dashed, and then I'm going to shade above. For my blue line, I'm starting at negative 2 on the y-axis, so down 2. Then I'm going to go negative 2, so 2 and 2 more, but 3 to the right. And then I can think, is it dashed or solid? Okay, this one's solid. And then do I want to shade above or below? It's going to be above. So is negative 2, oh my god, what the heck is that? Get out of here. Is negative 2 for a solution? So go ahead and check that. Well, yeah, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. It is in the double shaded area, so I'm going to say yes. Overall, make sure that when you multiply or divide by negative, you flip. But if you don't multiply or divide by negative, you just leave the inequality the same. Keep treating it like an equal sign. Keep looking for that double shaded area. Pay attention to your dash and solid above and below, and everything should be fine. Alright. Good luck on your practice and practice quiz, and come find me if you need help.